This brand is made in America by Goodman Manufacturing, which is a part of Daikin Global. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA, but the units are backed by a good guarantee. They have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and compressor sound blankets to lower noise levels. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. The APHH3 models are basic heat pumps for slab mounting with a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the APHM3 units are field convertible from horizontal discharge to down air discharge for rooftop installations. They are relatively loud with an 80 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The APHH5 models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 15.2 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the APHM5 units have a two-stage compressor. Both have a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The APH16H models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 16 CR cooling efficiency and a 8.2 HSPF heating efficiency, while the APH16M models have a two-stage compressor. They are backed by a very good warranty that includes a lifetime warranty on the compressor and a unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails within 2 years of installation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category rating.